A big hello to everyone watching Knowledgeist today. So we are back with a Central Bank of India Specialist Officer Recruitment Project 2022 and 2023. So definitely the people who are going to be recruited will be get positioned in the bank in next fiscal year. So definitely that is the meaning. But from last few days, last few months, there is no special recruitment in specialist officer segment in credit or in IT. So now we are back with a vacancy. Central Bank, which recruits very less number of people from market, has now come up with a recruitment notification, and positions are open for IT and credit risk, etc. Okay, so both bankers and IT professionals have something to cheer today. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अपना चैनल नॉलेजिस्ट को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू make you qualify in your upcoming assignment. So don't waste your time. Subscribe. So let's discuss what is there. Yes, so these are the important dates. Recruitment notification will start, the recruitment application will open from 23rd of November. Then the date of closure of the online application is 17th of December. Call letters can be downloaded from January 11th onwards, and maybe the exam is going to happen in 22nd of January. The written exam we are talking about. Chance for written exam in few few segments, maybe some maybe less, because if number of application will not be that much, they may not recruit, they may not call for a written test, they may call them directly for the interview. But you must remain prepared for the exam, for the written exams too, because nowadays population is in rise. So for every single post the application numbers are huge. Okay, but not that huge like in PO and clerk. So these are the vacancy positions. So economist, income tax officers, IT in scale 5, data scientist in scale 4. Maybe we have very less number of students and total number of vacancy is one for each. But where we could find our students appearing these exams is credit officer, 10 number of vacancies, data engineer, 11 number of vacancies, IT security analyst 1, IT SOC analyst 2, risk manager 5 in scale 3, technical officer credit 5 in scale 3 again, financial analyst scale 2, 20 vacancies used, IT 15, law officer 20, good number of vacancy for law, risk managers 10, security 3, again security 9. So as you know that recently Canara Bank exam is concluded. Many of my students made it, but it is another opportunity for all of them. Those who have made it, those who are going to, those who have not done it, those who have not qualified it, there is a chance for you even in IT law, क्योंकि हमारे सारे स्टूडेंट कैनरा बैंक में IT लॉ रिस्क क्रेडिट इसी में से ही थे, तो आप लोग प्रिपरेशन भी शुरू कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, और शाम को 8:30 या 9 बजे I will be there in a live session. I will be addressing all your live questions, live queries, and from today morning our entire team is assigned the project to launch the course. तो सब्जेक्ट मैटर में क्या क्या रहेगा, 3 रिटन एग्जाम में 3 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, तो we are preparing and I will be launching the course by 8:30. So nothing to worry, don't panic. All the course materials, everything will be available. In banking fields, in IT, we will be giving additional support and interview supports as well, like we have done in Canara Bank. Okay. So credit officer, this is our first focus in credit officer scale 3. Minimum age 26 to 34, CA, CFA, CMA, MBA finance regular, additional qualification JIIB, CIB is preferable. I always focus that you should remain prepared with certification courses from IIBF. So if you have done it, well and good. So 3 years experience, 3 years and above experience in banking. Okay, so in which you should have FI credit and your asset under management should be more than 10,000 crore. Okay, so means your entire portfolio you handling should be 10,000 crore in corporate credit appraisal assessment. And if you are an MBA finance, then total 4 years of experience required. So again, the AUM or the portfolio you are handling now should be at 10,000 crores. Okay. For data engineers, it is minimum 5 years relevant post qualification experience. Data analytics, data science, data statistics, data mining in commercial banks are preferable, and postgraduate degree in statistics, econometrics, mathematics, finance, economics, computer science, BE, BTech, etc. are eligible. Age again 26 to 35. Risk managers 20 to 35. So experience 3 years in risk, even in credit you have worked, or treasury, or in ALM, okay, in asset liability management portfolios. Qualification again MBA finance, okay, postgraduate diploma in banking, etc. And preferable qualification, any risk certification either from NIBM or IIBF, FRM, CFA, diploma in risk management, PRM, advanced degree analytical field from statistics, economics, etc. Preferable certification in SPSS and SAS. So for law officers, bachelor degree in law, that means LLB, and 20 to 35 years. Post qualification experience must be in a bar council and 3 years of experience of practice at bar or judicial service, or 2 years as law officer and local department of a scheduled commercial bank. So this is as it is. Many people who are eligible in Canara Bank as my student, they are also eligible. Risk manager again in scale 2 years of experience required. Same positions if you have handled risk, credit, treasury, ALM, then you are qualified. MBA, postgraduate diploma in banking and finance, postgraduate in statistics, math, etc. Okay, for more details, you can ask the queries. We'll have session at 8:30. Visit to our website. The course will be launched by 8 o'clock. And you can also ping our experts to discuss. Every link is there in the description. So risk manager, again, same qualification we told, FRM, CFA, diploma in risk management is desirable. Data engineer, here comes few IT job. Data engineer in scale 3, 5 years of relevant experience. IT security analyst SM in scale 3, senior manager scale 3. So 6 years of experience required. Certification, compulsory certification, CISA, CI, SSP, CISM, CRISC, CH certification. IT SOC analyst scale 3, computer science, IT, EC, electronics, or MCA, etc. is desirable. 6 years experience again. Okay, IT manager scale 2, 20 to 35 years, 2 years of experience in IT field, maybe TCS, Infosys, wherever you have worked, will be eligible. Now no banking exposure required. Okay, so yes, graduate passing DOAC at B level are also eligible. 3 years of engineering degree, computer science, etc. are eligible. Okay, security manager scale 2, I don't think I do have student here, but this is it. So remuneration as per the scales, in public sector bank, you have remuneration as per the IBA settlement, and the next settlement is due in a year, in November 2022. The next 12th bipartite settlement will be there. So there will be a hike of 15% more in the salary by the day you will be recruited. It will take 6 months for you to be finally posted in the bank, and in another 6 years you will encounter another pay hike. Okay, so scale 1, let me tell you, probably you will be getting 55 to 60,000. Scale 2, your salary will be somewhere around 75,000. Scale 3, your salary will be somewhere around net 90,000. Scale 4, your salary will be somewhere around 1.15. Scale 5, your salary will be around 140. Okay, so and let's see about the selection procedure. And yes, your probation, you will be placed in a probation period for 2 years. Selection will be through online written test and personal interview. They have not mentioned that what is the weightage of written and what is the weightage of interview. I believe that this written exam will be only qualifying in nature, and your final selection will be based on your interview performance. Okay, so you have to focus more on banking, plus your core subject. Like if you have from IT, law then law, and for credit and risk, again banking will play a very vital role, and your specification will play the will have the final say. If you have knowledge, then go ahead and prepare. We will have all the set of questions for credit, risk, law. Okay, and for IT we'll have interview course, because I don't have the interview the stream specification course for IT, because there are so many IT fields. I will not be competing, but for everyone, computer knowledge, banking, present economic scenario, and general awareness, that we will be covering. And for law, credit and risk, we will be covering total 100 mark in our course. The composite time is 60 minutes. And yes, for interview we'll have course for all, like we have done it for Canara Bank, and more or less always the interview question comes from the Knowledgeist question bank from interviews. And we'll have same panelist in our interview preparation batch, which is going to be there on the boards of various banks. Okay, so that is it. And exam centers, exam will be probably in the month of January, if nothing, no COVID situation worsens, situation remains as it is, things are getting to normal. So we are expecting it in 22nd of January. You should start preparing at right direction with Knowledgeist. Hopefully we are the only network for lateral entry and focusing all of that, and no exam is ahead. So this is going to be our core focus for next 1.5 months. And centers are very specific locations: Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Bhopal, Chennai, Chandigarh, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Pune, Raipur, and Patna. Okay, so that is it. And explore us in our Telegram channel Knowledgeist. 4,500 plus friends have joined us there, and we are very popular in LinkedIn too. In a month we have crossed 1,200 mark. We are somewhere around 1,300 followers in LinkedIn after our launch in the platform a month back. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to enroll to a specific course. Don't get misled by unprofessional bankers, unprofessional banking educators. Go ahead and search some of our classes, find out who is best in the industry, and join the best, or do self-study. So that's the end of the session. See you tonight at 8:30 or 9 o'clock for detailed discussion, and I will be personally addressing all your questions, all your queries on this recruitment. Thank you.